Aye vatsongo ka hina I manyangazi ta komisa ni na jambatano mina la I jambatani se jambatani kumbe jambatani kumbe I man jambatani ai lungsen kwala I jambatano mina I mani who's jambatani
wena uri imani
mina wa jambatano mina ndo mestima ngo mina lo uba ngati nyipi tisamtaye
mestima ngo ana armest
amare ise eso
ise kusewa mest
ise se mest jamba se
kuselewa mest
ne ise jambatan so se jambatan kahle ai balavule ni music ka Xitsonga I 2020 ses kuna vanhu lava fevaka
jambatan
kuna vanhu lava fevaka jambatan so va feva jambatan ta va tisela yini jambatan una album ti single so what's going on jambatan u busy yini sweswi for vaseketeri va music wa Xitsonga wa Xitsonga ni nga ri ni ndzi mistake kokwani vaseketeri va jambatan la vulavula na vaseketeri va specific to jambatan because kan mystery la loko ni ku debate na hosle ni voice ya nera
voice la
no love that voice and I think that voice is called
it's a golden voice ne jambatani after avoni ku anfane pulanyana bangwan the opportunities like kungana ka music wa Xitsonga to nga tsameka va fightela ne mara aswana ko karna chu otle buya to ben fighter foot
so fightela ri kahle
ku fightela slika
April ngotli ta ko
April ngotli ta ko loko ni khane celebrate 50 years ya mina
wow ko bona ntse mi
no 50
no
come 50 years
so rukaleta ka video marantse
cheese boy
50
I love cool album le one that's one is to go loko ni yendla la ku thlela yi celebrate na 50 years ya mina na stock ya ku win kat award hinkwayo
yes baranda ka sweswo ikombela min confirm ngumngala moveni
yeah
ngabala le jambatan 50 years ngwani
so April
50
15th April na wena tambetana
so why go kwani mari ai umenyana ka music wa mari fresh mari because mina ndapanda ku mjita leso so
yeah
no ku dwa yini mi dya yini kahle so mako so dya leswa
munhu o dya bro loko yele ka we isweka goshi yoxe lamo
kokwani mara masukusana re kokwani se ni sukini ka hosi se ni kokwani
yiko namuhla dya miroho namuhla kumbe dya goshi munhu o tani
yevana
anithi siswa vanhu vakula ningesafika ka malembe mako
so you're doing an album for 50 years ne so it's kaka this album because mina ni vone photo post to ihlawusikile aku album ya Jambatan is coming so ka album ya Jambatan utara na manje Jambatan because mina I love listening to your music
la ya na tira na hlawu tira na mabawulele tira na mapaitele
mabawulele mara okay hai
tira na n'wana wa mina amo lo angendla ya man flow anseta tin'wana tingoma takatatirwa events na Prince in fact
Prince Rangani
yes Prince Rangani ni indisaname
I didn't even know that mende va ku Prince Rangani ndo Prince ara shaka ra Chavani ya Chavani
ni chavana
kasi Jambatani Maluleke loa school because I think ba festival maka school na eKatshaveni. So it's family. Say I nakubutsa swin'wana and that's not diverse. Mingena njhani ka team leti wa kha ku chingelo rangani kun'wanyana na ngwe mi fika mfaka voice. Rangani no sta kanjhani ku vi na relationship ya n'wina rangani ta vula ku after loko se ngumbe xa mi ku fika ku Jambatani wa mina.
I said Sabayenda, Governor Rimro Chingela Ranga.
Under Machi Chingela Ranga. But then, Kukan, Mfugan, Mangano, Mangano of Kawan.
Minto Mangano Imbele
or Embele.
As a Sofukawan,
after watching. We love his music because na beef. And I'm going and I got so because. Na leswa no yenza kaso cause no hlamala ku Jambatani Pesimfana na Rangani slow music wa songa control ya family timbiri muzi family ya ka Maluleke na family ya ka yo ka Chavani and is the very same family ya ka N'wina cause na vo Flora no ku ri na same Sikizi kuna hlawa Sikizi sweswo kuna Flora nga chauke I think family yin'wana ku va na Patson mapaite loko a ku hlawa
Mapaitelani utrustitution.
Exactly. Must want say yini ka family yin'we ya ka Chavani ni control kuna Pesimfana kuna Jambatani kuna Prince Rangani
evana omunhu
so lero music wa Xitsonga hina se kuna magupta kahle la mi loko hi xaniseni kokwani mi capturing n'wina
I'm capturing
iswenisa ku yini kahle music wa Xitsonga mu teke njhani mu ku
tindleve ta n'wina ti rhandza ku yingisela yini
mahlamula kokwani mahlamula ende mihlamula mi ri slow kahle mara hlamula ya kona yi va yi ri so album ya n'wina hi ta expecta hi April rini
Botsan manager.
Manager kokwani a yi ti tivisi kokwani
no hayi na is a problem mara ita endla very soon ita endla CD cover leyi nga ta va okay publisher ka vanhu
mi sendela mi distribute
or before album yi huma and then hi kota ku album loko yi humeni vanhu va swi tiva ku no va ta va langutisela leswi swa njhani vona a na a swi tshamisekanga ku ri no loko hi endla album hi humesa nje fanele va na marketing strategy fanele va na strategy xa hina ku no loko hi fanele humesa album hi fanele va na tinsimu ta so vanhu va swi tiva ku no loko va kuma album ya Jambatani from track 1 to track 12 loko ku track 12 or track 10 or leswi ngena setup ita time
ingako itokulwa mina potredi
se
potredi virus yize bina coronavirus
se loko se
itokulwa mina
Sloko hile rene como stage ina la ka music ka Xitsonga
loko se
interview kahle kahle
vanhu va ta va kha va swi tiva ku no va ta va kha va swi tiva ku no album yi ta va yi tshamisele leswiwani hi ta va yi langutisele so mara lexi ni tshembisaka xona ka vaseketeri na vayingiseri na varhandzi va Xitsonga i ku hi nge va disappoint
so
yona tshamisekile yona yi tshamisekile
setup ya album ne mi nga wa rehearse hi ta heta sweswo loko vulavula ngopfu na kahle mi interview la ni endlela ngopfu ku tiva ku album ya Jambatani loko ku ri vula interview nga ta vulavula hi swin'wana ku Jambatani mu suka kwihi you know man I'm sure man tiva
na viewer
you can contact me anytime you can do any TV but no alava ku tiva kahle album ya Jambatani ya huma Marini yona featured people and one thing lexi Jambatani ensure hi Steve his voice is golden and Vatsonga love his voice and loko mo cheka ka swo fana loko mo cheka ka the previous album ya Ben got the whole album forget about the combination the album was but there's one part they look Jambatani of Koma ku jampa ku mayengani wa mi people will comment na yena la ka ta pounds the first thing that he said what a Jambatani the first time loko mayengana khoma mic and the leswi a nga sulangi mhaka kumbe xana u rhanga ku Jambatani kumbe u swi tiva mhaka cause vanhu va swi tiva ta they will react to that cause part leyi nge le timbilwini ta hina ka that album in
Bayengani and me we one person but kuna album yin'wana ya reggae one people
One people.
One people.
Yeah, yeah.
One love, one people. So, mina na mayingana with click.
You clicked One Piece.
Yes.
Mayingana One Piece.
And akuna munhu angata kota ku hambanyisa.
Yeah.
Because mina na mayingana engesikelweni. Mayingana is a musician, gifted.
Too much.
Very much gifted.
Too much sauce.
And
that's what I'm seeing.
It's just that
even though I'm still in Tlongolwini,
no,
yeah, I'm just looking at you.
It's multi-talented, ne?
Look, promotiwa Machangan Magai. Misalu are one of the best artists in the whole of the world.
And even
but just because ilego dragon ngufaka hands itahetelela like ikayendla sesi nongosho tena emapodlela for whatever.
And not for whatever, but mengano na utsaka. No, I don't even think it should be on the future, but mengano na utsaka, mengano wa ruketela, mengano wa fukata artist.
No,
when was the last time Mengano Josh Roman aruketela mengano?
No,
it is around 5 years.
It is,
but it keeps on pushing.
Okay, it is the trick of taking people's attention.
Yeah.
Is that what you don't know because you're not musicians?
Yeah, accept that.
A trick. Let me tell you about the so-called post. It taking attention yaman just because of being awkward. Atana strategy shoruketela we're there in the music.
And you know you insulted Pamtana Jakalas, you know that, ne?
You know, I don't entertain that. I don't have a problem. I'm not Jakalas, I know.
But you know, I suppose once insulted.
Yeah, so leave music to musicians. Kuna lava bataka music bala kuma attention. Kuna lava nga gifted ka music. It's two different things. Kuna suchini. Slawa kuchina music, slawa kuendla music. Music, you must be born with music. Music are forced. Look, ungarawona. Ingati utafika unruketela kuduma ichambata. Ingati utafika ikuruketela Thomas Chow.
Understand, but then everyone, so you must expect your album.
My album is coming. Album I recall December ne. Resident kuninga yo mesang. Akura album ya bini ne man flow. Please
I think they said you were assaulted because when I'm pushing.
Oh, leso lumbuanom.
And still you come but I think you were assaulted because you've been at the fence to want the thing at Wangarumina. You are fighting against
no, and problem evan lavane. Iko awakotanga twisisa go mina loku lega business ne. Studio jamina anishente langi ban vokaritse because look mun ataka mina ataku recording the funding accommodate and then maybe I'm tatsar one paper school the fikini ala go record the artist car just because of whatever because at the end of the day unstable go positive and negative yona recording
Ngitamo.
artist yo karhi or ni ale ku recorda why because loko ni nga record
It's a problem.
it's a problem
When you
ni record
it's
it's a problem
So vanhu lava kwatelini because I think I had this and it was one of because loko munhu a nwe swo karhi mistake it slips away but then I know you were assaulted over ku you were promoting man flow chauke
and I'm going to promoting for your information ban abalave city and then if can enhlala ka Range Rover le babona itsaru kujamba tan not to here lo telela
maybe matelela because you're pushing some artists ka bo kudelela so
then abalave city vanhu va fika va xavete city letiya misalo hleketa ku loko a ni vanhu va teka selfie ni lava ku teka selfie na mina a fika no panomo ni bobe upenda
marukuya mama o marukuya masu
abazini aphembili
nakubona abazini phambili
maybe na we corona fuck you
silo kusimena yona sesi
look se dina anani ngasihleketanga mara so ndina kuna problem mara leisana ku mina all I'm doing is to promote
Botsonga
music wa Xitsonga and hambi ku ta un'wana
can push ne I think we sana wala kuunza ne so can we just Jambatan album ya Jambatan lokupeni so our done yetini host
Ngondani kahle na
yetini host so kuna vanhu lava kuhundza Vatsonga va ka hina swi la ku kokwani yetini kokwani yetini
lomu fanele
se kokwani
Paran kahle boche
kokwani so kokwani phosani kola
Paran kahle
singari lo subscribe ke fambeni kokwani minga